Hello and welcome to Sew with Christine. Here is a detailed tutorial on how to cut and sew this BUBU kaftan gown with a snatched waistline. This BUBU gown has pleated sleeves with an inner belt that will help give your waistline a snatched effect. If this tutorial is what you are interested in watching, do not skip any part while watching. Ensure you watch to the end of this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like and share this tutorial. And I would like you to turn your post notification bell on, so whenever I post new tutorials, you'll be among the first set of people to be updated. This is the fabric that I'm going to be using for this dress, and I've gone ahead to fold this fabric into 4. Next, I will run my starting line at the top part of this fabric, about 0.5 inch. On the starting line here, I'm going to measure the width of the neckline, and I'll mark down 3 inches. Same on this starting line, I'm going to mark the half shoulder width measurement, which is 7 inches. Then from the shoulder measurement there, that's the half shoulder width, I'm going to mark down 6 inches for the pleats. Remember I said the sleeves have pleats on them. So from these 6 inches that I marked for the pleats, I'm now going to take the sleeve length, which is 12 inches. I'll come down by 1 inch for the back neck depth. My cloth is folded into 4, so I'm working on the front and the back simultaneously. From the starting line again, I'm going to come down by 8 inches. This will serve as the front neck depth. Then on that place where I marked 8 inches, I will go outward by 1.5 inches. And I'm going to mark this measurement, that is 1.5 inches, from that point through to the hemline. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and connect all the points together. Then I will connect the neckline to meet with the 1.5 inches. This that I've just done is for the front. So we are done with the drafting of the front and the back neckline. Next is for us to measure the width of the sleeve. Coming to this side, I'm going to come downward by 9 inches for the sleeve. I'll go ahead and mark down the total width measurement that I took at the shoulder line, which is 25 inches. After that, I'm going to add 1 inch for the seam allowance. From there, I'll go ahead and mark 9 inches so that I can draw a straight line. Afterwards, I'll go to the hem area and I'm going to mark 19 inches. This is going to be the width. So from the center, I'm just going to measure 19 inches and mark that down. Once I'm done marking at the hemline, I'll proceed to marking the same measurements all through to where I have the 9 inches mark. The full length of this dress is 55 inches. Next, I'm going to mark my hip line measurements. Then I'm going to draw a curve from this sleeve area to meet with the hip line like so. Now that we are done, I'll go ahead and cut this out. When cutting the neckline, I'm only going to cut the back neckline. I won't cut the front neckline. Now that I'm done cutting the back, I'm going to separate the front from the back. So I have all of the fronts laid out here. Next, I'll go ahead and cut along the line that I marked at the center area. So if you have watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, do like this video and share. After cutting, I'm going to join the shoulders of the front to the back. Here is the piece of fabric that I'll be using for the pockets. At the top part, I'll go ahead and mark 0.5 inch. This is going to serve as the seam allowance. I'll also come to this part here and mark down 0.5 inch downward. Afterwards, I'm going to take the length of the pocket. I want the length to be 12 inches. Then I want the pocket opening to be 7 inches. So I'm going to mark 7 inches. Then from that place, I'll go ahead and mark 6 inches. This will be the width of the pocket. From here, I'm just going to draw a curve this way to meet this edge. And at this point, I'm going to continue the curve like so. So this is just a freehand curve. And I'm going to take the curve upward to meet with the 7 inches there. Afterwards, I'm going to add 0.5 inch seam allowance all around this pocket area. Then I'll go ahead and cut out this pattern. I'm done drafting and cutting this pocket, and I have 4 pieces of this, 2 for each side of the dress. I'm gonna head to sew the shoulders close, and this is what they look like. Next is for me to hem the sleeves of this dress. So I'm just going to fold this so that we can have the sleeves area all spread out. I'll head over to my sewing machine to sew this area. I'm going to fold this inward and run my stitches on both ends of these sleeves. Alright guys, I've gone ahead to sew this. The next thing that we are going to be doing is to measure the length of the neckline area from one hem through to the other. By the time I was done measuring this, I have the length to be 122 inches. So this measurement is what we are going to use to cut the neckband. Here is the neckband. When cutting your neckband, you may want to add about 3 inches to the measurement you got when you measured the main dress. Alright, this is going to help you out in case you did not take the length of the dress correctly. You can go ahead to cut out the excess by the time you are done sewing. The width of this band is 5 inches. I'll go ahead and iron my stay onto this band. Now this is it guys, I've gone ahead to iron my stay onto it, and this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to be attaching one end of this band to one side of this dress. So from the hem area, I'm just going to place this inward to the wrong side of the dress, and I will sew from the hem through to the other hem. Here we are. I'm done sewing this to the dress, okay, and I've also folded this into 2. You can see what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to do now is to iron this out properly. So I'm going to fold this inward. Afterwards, I'll bring this outer area over it like so. I'm going to fold them and iron them out. I'm done ironing the band, and here we have it. You can see how smooth this is, and look at the inside. I ensured I folded all the edges inward. At the neck region here, I made some notches, and also at the front part here, I also made some notches there as well. Next, I'll head over to my sewing machine and sew from one hem to the other hem to secure this down. So this is it. I'm done stitching the band. Next is for us to add the pleats to each of the sleeves. From this sleeve line, I'm going to go up by 5.5 inches. Then from that 5.5 inches, I'll go up again by 6 inches. These 6 inches that I marked down here is for the pleats allowance. Remember, we left 6 inches on our shoulder line for the pleats. So we are going to use up that 6 inches now. On the area where I marked 5.5 and on the area where I marked 6 inches, bring those 2 points together like so and pin them down. So this is going to serve as the pleats. You can see we have used up the entire 6 inches. So you'll only be left with your shoulder width measurement and your sleeve length. I'll come to the side of the sleeve and I'm going to do what I did for the first one. I'll go up here by 5.5 inches. Then from the 5.5 inches, I'll go upward by 6 inches, which is for the pleat allowance. Then I'm going to bring both points together and I'll pin this. So this area where I pinned, you can tack this area with your needle and thread. Just make a small stitch there, or you can just use your machine to make a small stitch on it. We are going to be closing the sides of this dress now, but before we do that, we'll need to add our pocket to the side. So from the shoulder here, I'm going to come down by 17 inches and I'll mark that here. Then I'll bring in one of the pocket piece like so. From the top part, I'm going to mark down ½ inch. Then from that ½ inch, I'll mark 7 inches. Remember I said the 7 inches is for the pocket opening. The ½ inch is for the allowance. So I'm going to place the ½ inch mark of the pocket to rest directly on the 17 inches mark. Then I'll pin that down. Coming down to the 7 inches, I'll also pin that area down. I'm going to mark the same measurements on the other pocket piece. Then I'm going to transfer the 17 inches mark to the back part of this dress. Afterwards, I'll place the pocket piece onto the back part like so, ensuring that the ½ inch mark of the pocket piece aligns well on the 17 inches mark. Then I'll go ahead and pin that down. Coming to the 7 inches for the pocket opening, I'm also going to pin that area down. Then I'll head over to my sewing machine and sew from the ½ inch to the 7 inches. Hope you understand. If you do not understand what I am doing, you can rewatch this video or you can drop your questions in the comment section. Here is it guys, I've gone ahead to sew both of them from the 0.5 to the 7 inches. Alright, next I'm going to arrange the front and the back like so, and I will sew from the sleeve opening through to the pocket area down to the hem line. I'll do the same thing for the other side of this dress. Alright guys, I'm done sewing this and you can see what it looks like. This is one side and you can see making this pocket is very easy. Coming to this side, this is what this pocket here looks like. Alright, we are done with the pockets. Next is for us to hem the base of this dress. This is the piece that I'm going to be using for the belt. The width is 5 inches and I have the length at 27.5 inches. So I'm going to fold this right side facing right side and sew from the edge through to the end of the belt. See the direction of how you're going to sew the belt. Here is it. I'm done sewing the belt and this is what we have here. I'm going to turn this clothes to the wrong side so that we can attach our belt to the dress. From the shoulder here, I will come down by 16 inches, which is the waistline. Just mark down your waistline here. Afterwards, I'm going to come to the center here and measure the quarter waist measurements. So divide your waist circumference by 4 and mark that here. I'll bring in one of the belts and at this top part where we did not sew close, I'm going to fold it inward and lay it on the area where I marked the quarter waist measurements and pin this down. Then I'm going to sew onto this. On this side as well, I'm going to come down by 16 inches. I'll mark down 16 inches. Then from the center, I'm going to mark the quarter waist measurement there. Afterwards, I'm going to fold the belt inward and I will sew directly on it. So I'm done sewing the belt into this dress. The next thing that I need to do is to fix the buttons to this dress. I'm making use of pressing button. You want to start fixing your buttons from the waistline. So here we have it, guys. We are done with this dress. You can see it is a very simple one to achieve. I would like you to subscribe to my channel. If you are yet to do so, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to share to those that it will be beneficial to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.